Hello everybody, my name is Akimani Messi and I'm going to be talking about the safety precautions that you should take whenever you use a pesticide. First of all, there are three main ways through which pesticides or chemicals in pesticides can get into the body, and they are in the air by inhaling, in the food by ingestion, and contact with skin. In order to protect yourself, there are safety precautions you should take. Number one, you should read labels on the pesticide or whatever pesticide you're buying or you're going to use. Number two, look for the active ingredients and read on it. Read about what it is about, what it is made of, and things like that. Number three, you should wash your hands after use. Wash your hands properly after use. Number four, you should have a protective gear. It can be an overall, it should be rather an overall, a chemical resistant glove. There can be boots to just protect yourself, or face masks too can be part of it. Number five, you should use long clothing. Wear clothing with long sleeves to protect your skin so that the chemicals, whenever it falls on your skin, will not disturb the normal function of the skin. Number six, you should take a bath after use. Take a bath and wash properly. Number seven, you should keep pesticides out of the reach of children because it's very dangerous, even in its concentrated form. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more educative videos on this channel. Thank you.